Question number 8 on Schoology. We have a power to a power happening. Now what that means is that we have exponents inside of our question, and we have parentheses, and we've got another exponent outside. So we've got exponents all over the place. And we have our star chart rule over here. And I'm not going to really talk about that just yet because we're going to talk about the cloning. So again, the 6 goes with the S, only the S, and then the 3 goes with the T, and the 5 goes with the R. Those are the powers that go with those variables. Now because there's this 3 outside, the 3 also goes with what is right next to it. And what is right next to this 3? Those parentheses. So that means all of this is going to get copied down 1, 2, 3 times. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to copy down all of it 3 times. And we can expand it as we go so that we can see what's happening. So now inside, we've got fraction bars. And on top of the fraction, we have a -4 each time. And we don't have any other coefficients. So at this time I want to talk about the rules with the coefficients. Remember that when we have parentheses next to each other, that means that we're going to multiply. So I'm going to go ahead and do that while I'm thinking about it so that we don't make a mistake. And what that is a -4 times a -4 times another -4. And we have answer choices down here at the bottom. So you can type those in. I would highly recommend you type those in on Desmos so that you don't make a mistake. -4 times -4 is a positive 16. Positive 16 times a -4 is going to give you that -64. And again, I highly recommend that you type these in on Desmos. And I could go ahead and do that because, like I said, there was no other number coefficient on the bottom. All right, now let's look at our S's. We have S to the 6th. And kind of talking and connecting it to the previous lessons, it's happy being on the top. So we're going to rewrite it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, 6 times on top. Then on the bottom, we have T to the 3rd. And I'm actually going to write these. We should do these alphabetically. So I'm going to put these T's kind of at the end. 1, 2, 3. Because I am looking ahead in my R. R comes before T. So we're going to do that again. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And then we have our R to the 5th. R to the 5th is on the bottom, and it's happy being on the bottom, so we're going to clone it. R has the power of 5, the cloning power of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, and again. So what's happening is you can see now all of this expanded, and it's worth your time to do it this way so that you make sure that you get the right answers. Now we're going to look, can we cross anything off? Do we have anything on the top that it has a match on the bottom? And no, we don't, so we are ready to just start counting. We already did -4 times -4 times -4. Now we're going to put our S's together. All right, now when we are multiplying and we have bases, which is our S, we can add those exponents, which would be 6 of them here, 6 of them here, and 6 of them here. So we can add 6 plus 6 plus 6 and get our answer. We can also just count them across if you want to, if you don't like that rule. And counting them, like I said, all the way across will always work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then that's going to be 12. And then that's going to be 18. And I'm going to put those on the top because that's where they are. They are on the top. S to the 18th power. And as we go, we can always check to see is what we got in our answer choices so that we know that we did it right. Now the R and the T are both on the bottom. And so again, we're going to go alphabetically. And if you know the rule, because you are multiplying, the rule says that you're actually adding your exponents. So we're adding 5 R's, 5 more R's, and 5 more R's. And if you want, you can add 5 plus 5 plus 5, or you can actually count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we should have r to the 15th power. And so let's go check our r's. R to the 15th power is there. We're going to do the same thing with our t's. We have 3 t's here, we have 3 more here, and we have 3 more here. So again, we can add. The rule says that when we are multiplying with our exponent, we have the same base, and we're multiplying them, we add our exponents. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. You can also double check yourself by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we have t to the 9th power. And that is how you do question